Nice. Come on, baby, one more. There you go, Walt.
I'll take it.
You got any advice out there for all lifters?
Go fuck yourself.
Come on. Let's go. Get up, get up, get up.
Yeah, buddy. Whew. That was heavy. You want me to get a wink?
Come on. Let's go, let's go.
Come on now.
Come on, get up, get up.
I hit 4, fuck it. Should have hit 5 though.
I was thinking about it, but I still got 2 more sets.
Tip down that side a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Got it. Let's go. Come on, get up. Get up.
I was like, straight in my head.
Yeah! You start paying attention to that. Yeah. Sit there and eat at the desk. Yep. He doesn't have a membership of it. And if he does, his mom will buy it.
Come on now, I ain't helping.
Wow, that was heavy. 15 piece.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get up. Come on.
Ah, yeah.
Come on. Please.
Yeah, buddy.
You're about to do like a set of shrugs too. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh yeah. Yep, yep. Come on.
I'll take 10.
Where them shrugs? There you go. There you go. Attaboy. Losing them. Almost lost a grip on that one.
What do you think about that set,
Halo
Josh?
Fitness almost lost a grip on that one.
You got any advice for all the weightlifters out there, Josh?
Bro, he's leaving me hanging.
Eat everything
Eat everything.
all day.
Everything?